headshot, headshot, headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. 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 Check it like a pair of Nikes. I keep it rocking, I'm stopping, I'm popping, I'm jumping in fresh white tee. Oh, so now you make songs? Now you wanna sing along? I bet you do it all wrong. I am a king and you are a pawn. I've been talking about stocks, I've been giving out lots, pulling up like it was socks. This shit is heavy as rocks. You was just pulled off the docks. That mean you drowning, you looking around, and I know that you wanna be biting my style. Oh, you think you must be wild? I ain't aroused. That's just how I will get down. We were here first, talking all the pics. You was in the back talking all the shit. We was grinding, making all the hits. Now you're jealous and you can't stand it. Rich has been here, you ain't been there. Circle tight, yeah, you been square. It's time to open the letter. Hope you don't fall down the ladder. I know you tight, like to be frontin'. You was a troll, hit the like button. Getting no dab, you think you can rap? I laugh. Please, let's see you write something. Stick to the script, can't do it like this. Look at the wrist with the assist. Ill is the kid, rockin' with Rich. Can't stop till I get a million hits. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. 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 I don't wanna say no names and you'll blow like propane. Cause clout riding is so lame. My rhymes fresh like Colgate. It's funny you copy the whole thing. Scarecrow, you got no brain. You can test the boy, I got no shame. Crew looking like Soul Train. Look in the other direction. You are not part of the section. You do not make an impression. You should just change your profession. This is the years in the making. You can't just copy the page. This is experience, idiots. Listen, you can't just copy the wave. Nah, I'm just playing for keeps. Fucking with Rich TV. The platform is growing. I know that it's showing. We like 60,000 people deep. This original, no subliminal. We maximize, you minimal. This critical, analytical. You hysterical. This a miracle. You other cats so boring. On your channel, I'm snoring. Why you hitting the recording? You should just die off horribly. Sick of the same old story. I think you triggered the light. Rich TV is here, and we much bigger than life. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me.
That's a fact. That is a fact. So, I bring you guys Eve yesterday. It's up 13% today. Fact. I bring you guys cannabis growth. I bring you guys the cannabis growth news today. It explodes. Fact. By the way, that video I did about an hour ago has like 50 views. Where I talk about the news and how this is huge news for cannabis growth. And it's up 4%. And it has like 50 views. So, whatever. I mean, whatever. But I'm not bitter. Maybe a little bit. You know, you see people that make videos and they get thousands of views and they talk about the same shit every fucking day. And I'm talking about the news and I bring it first and nobody's even watching. What the heck is going on? You know what I mean? It makes you wonder. It's like those things that make you go, isn't it? So anyways, multi-state cannabis company Vireo Health to begin trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange under ticker symbol VREO. Vireo Health International Inc., America's leading science-focused multi-state cannabis company, is pleased to announce the effective at market open today. It's up 5,000%. So whoever got in this early, like pre-IPO or reverse takeover, Probably got in like 5-10 cents, and it went from 10 cents to $5, and they're up 5,000%. So let's just put this into perspective. Had you put in $1,000, your $1,000 would be worth 50 grand. That's pretty good. Had you put in 10 grand, yeah, that 10 grand would be worth 500 grand. Not a bad chunk of change, right? So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I'm not suggesting you guys buy this. You know, guys, obviously I bring you everything first. I'm sure this is the first time you've ever heard of Vireo, okay? I'm going to break it down for you. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Do your own due diligence. Please do your own research. Don't just buy it because you heard about it here first on Rich TV Live. Clearly, you're going to hear about everything here first, okay? What you need to do is you need to put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Watch it. Date it. Hunt it. Now, if you want to go buy it because you want to buy it. Don't buy it because you heard it here first, okay? Please. I don't want to hear that nonsense. Oh, I bought it because you talked about it, Rich. Well, why else? Like, you know, do you honestly think I'm going to go buy something just because somebody else talked about it? I got to do a little bit of due diligence, a little bit of research. You can't just count on all my research. So yeah, you know what? Awake, you might be right. I might be jumping the gun here on those numbers. I might be getting a little bit too excited. Maybe it is $5,000. No. It's $50,000. 5,000%. If you put in $1,000, 5K profit would be 500%. 5,000% would be $50,000. Yo, Jared, man, thank you for the $20 donation. Oh my goodness. You are an unbelievable member of the community. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Jared. You know, I really appreciate you guys lately been giving donations and stuff, and that just goes to build the channel, man. So everything that you guys do to donate to this platform, I promise you, is just going to go to build the channel, because we are looking to build this to become a global media platform where we can talk about these stocks and these news every single day, and we can bring you the winners every single day, and we can dissect the news every single day. That's the plan here, okay? So that you guys can win. And I'm winning, okay? I'm not going to lie. I am winning. I hope you guys are winning. I'm giving you guys my trades. I told you guys I bought ZYNE yesterday, and I sold it today. Like, I literally I'm holding these stocks for like a day, guys, and I made $500. You know, like, I don't know, man. It's almost, I don't know if it's getting easier for you guys, but I feel like it's getting easier because we have the power of the people. We got the power of the community, and we got so many eyes on the prize, and we are staying in our lane, and we are focused on investing in the best, because the best is blessed. So let's get back into VREO, which is now trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE, under the symbol VREO today. Vireo Health. Today is a historic milestone for Vireo Health. Our business and product offerings are expanding rapidly, and we expect the proceeds from our RTO. Now, what is an RTO? It's a reverse takeover. I'm going to share you guys a little secret. Do you guys want a little secret? Our community has invested in an RTO. I'm not going to lie. I have invested in an RTO. If you are part of the Rich TV Live community that has invested in an RTO that is currently at 5 cents, that is getting a cannabis company put into them, exactly like what happened here. And I got to give the credit to Sergio for this, because Sergio is a genius. He brought us the RTO, okay? Oh, the community, the power of the community. And I told you, Sergio, if I win, I'm going to hook you up, bro. I will give you a tip. I will. If I win, I'm going to give him a tip, because I don't plan on winning. Like, if I win 5,000%, I have 25,000 shares, okay? If that bad boy goes to $5 and my 25,000 shares turns into 125,000 US, you know I'm going to take care of Sergio for the pick. I mean, that's just the way I do it. You know what I mean? And that's kind of the whole strategy behind Rich TV Live here, right? You know, like if I'm going to win, why wouldn't I take care of my people who gave me the winners? So I don't know if you guys know which pick I'm talking about, which RTO, but if you're part of the Telegram group, and we've got members in our Telegram group just day and night giving picks, guys, and the Telegram group is blowing up. Literally thousands of messages every day. Thousands, okay? And if you're in the Telegram group, you know the RTO that we've invested in. And I'm telling you, it's gonna blow. That's all I can say is it's gonna blow. So if you do not know, I think you need to get in the Telegram group, man. Like, you're missing out on something fierce. That's all I gotta say. But there are a few full alerts right now that I need to bring to your attention. And I brought this to your attention yesterday, so I'm not really surprised. Eve and Co. made me $750 yesterday. Eve and Co. is on fire. Oh, ZYNE keeps going. It's on a full alert. Oh my goodness, I sold too soon. Goodness. It is on a full alert. It has a $20 price target. Just made my $500 today on it, and it's up another 20 cents. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We are changing the game. We actually bring winners before they explode. And we're doing it every day. Oh man, I want a holiday. What about you? You want a holiday? Man, we bring in these picks before they explode. Would you like to see the evidence? Would you like to see the evidence? Nobody knows the company that we invested in? The RTO? Oh my goodness. You guys are behind. How are you supposed to win? Oh my goodness. We bring you the picks before they explode. Isn't that how you win? Oh my god, I'm choked. Zinarba is going and I sold too soon. Shit. Oh my goodness. It's still going. Oh, hurts. Oh. Oh. I sold too soon. Damn. I sold too soon. See? This is when, like, excitement turns to regret. We need a new song for this. We need a song strictly for these situations where you sell too soon. It hurts. It freaking hurts, guys, when you sell too soon. When you find the winner and you think you're good because you're up $500, and then it goes up higher. Okay, it's coming down. Thank God. Oh my God. Whew. It has a $20 price target. It has a $20 price target. Stay in our lane. We got to stay in the winner's circle. We are in the winner's circle. If you're on Rich TV Live, you are in the winner's circle. So why wouldn't you stay in the lane? You need to get in the group if you want to know about the RTO, bro. Come on, man. What do you want me to tell you? Get in the group, man. You want me to just feed you? You want me to spoon feed you? Come on, guys. Put in a little effort. My goodness. Join the Telegram and you'll get picks all day long. I'm not even in there right now, but there's 60 people in the Telegram group right now talking stocks. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm live, but they're talking stocks. I can't believe you guys don't know who our RTO is. Oh my goodness. It's like going to war blind. How you gonna win? You'll most likely die. You need your tools, people. Rich TV Live community is the tools of the gods. And it's free. I mean, it doesn't even cost money. Quite odd. Okay, Zainarba, you're going down. Thank you. My goodness. Oh, now you're going back up again? It's crazy. It's pretty crazy when you're able to pick these winners before over and over and over again. But yet people keep saying, Rich, those 100% buys, Rich, they don't work, Rich. Those 100% buys, they always go down right after, Rich. You need to download Telegram, guys. You have to have Telegram to use the link for Telegram. And it needs to be on your phone. Actually, I think Telegram you can put on your computer. You're holding FSD for long, eh? Wow. I hope you win big, my friend. Yeah, it's true. So, speaking of winners, I wanted to bring you guys Zainarba. It's on a full alert. It's got a $20 price target from analysts on NASDAQ.com. I bought it yesterday, sold it today for $500. It's up more now. I should have waited. It seems like it's just circulating. So yeah, put that on full alert. And then I did a video yesterday also about Eve and Co. And they have not disappointed. They have just been on a mission. And they're up again today after I did a video, another 10%. So EVVF in America, EVE in Canada. And once again, it's 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. So these indicators that I continue to show you are quite effective. I've shown it. I've proven it. Last week, I took $2,200 in profits. So far this week, I've taken $1,500 in profits. So if you ask, okay, well, what do you do about the stocks that you haven't sold, Rich? I'm waiting until they're in the green. Once I see nice returns, I will sell them, okay? Today is a historic milestone for Vireo Health. Our business and product offerings are expanding rapidly, and we expect the proceeds from our RTO transaction will enable us to significantly expand our geographic footprint and our investments in intellectual property development. This is the Chief Executive Officer, Kyle Kingsley, MD. We are proud of our track record of creating value for shareholders over time, and our board of directors and executive management team will continue to prioritize this important goal as we transition to operating as a public company. We believe that science will drive the lion's share of long-term opportunity in the cannabis industry, from novel, efficient, scaled processing equipment to proprietary consumer product and expansive intellectual property portfolio. Vireo has positioned itself as cannabis company of the future, Dr. Kingsley said. Dr. Kingsley continued, Vireo has been pursuing a business model consistent with the vision since its inception, and our leadership team is committed to achieving this objective. We also believe that customer service excellence will be key toward winning and maintaining market share, and we look forward to leveraging our proprietary e-commerce and home delivery platform to meet the highly demanding needs of today's modern consumer landscape. In conjunction with the previously announced business combination with Darien Business Development Corp, Vireo Health International Inc. raised more than $50 million US through a brokered and non-brokered private placement offering. Concurrent with the public listing, the company launched its new investor relations website at investors.vireohealth.com. This is so big. This is so big. Hey, Max, bro, I hope it does go to $1.50, brother. I really do hope it does go to $1.50. And most likely, I will be having some of the management and the board of FSD Pharma on Rich TV Live, so stay tuned for that. Vireo Health International Inc. is America's leading science-focused multi-state cannabis company. Vireo's physician-led team of more than 250 employees is dedicated to providing best-in-class cannabis products and customer experience. Vireo cultivates cannabis in environmentally friendly greenhouses, manufactures pharmaceutical-grade cannabis extracts, and sells its products at both company-owned and third-party dispensaries. The company currently has operations in 6 states, including Minnesota, New York, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Rhode Island, and Ohio. This is Vireo Health International Inc., brand new company that nobody knows, and you heard about it here first. You can add it to another one of the picks that you heard on Rich TV Live first. Okay? First. Yeah, Namaste, definitely, you need to be very careful with them. They're under a lot of selling pressure. But what we want to do is we want to find winners that have buying pressure. Evenco has buying pressure. Zinarba clearly has a ton of buying pressure. What are you guys buying today? What are you guys winning on today? And I told you guys that I would give you guys my RTO. So I will, but we need 100 likes, guys. How many likes do we got right now? How many likes do we got right now? That's what I need to figure out. How many likes do we got right now? How many likes are we at? Because we need 100, guys. If you guys want to know our RTO, we need 100 likes. Or you're going to have to go into the Telegram group and just ask, and then they'll tell you there. But that's what we're going to need. Like, we're going to need at least 100 likes, right? NGW is up 5%. Next Green Wave. I really like this company. Ascent Industries is up 5%. I like this company too at these prices. CSM, Clearstream Energy Inc. up 7%. Kira's up 3%. Zena's in the green slightly. Chiron Life Sciences is up slightly. Interesting day today. CANN is up slightly. Shrimp up 24% today. Everyone was talking about shrimp, laughing at them. Look at them today. Thank you guys. If there's anything that is popping right now, please let me know. Let's talk about it. I'll bring it up on the screen right now while we're live. CUV up 20%. Cov Ventures Corp. Solo. A lot of people talking about Solo today. Up 34%. Solo. Let's see. Buying pressure here. 56% buy. Interesting. If there's anything that's popping right now today, please let me know, guys. Solo is up 372% since December 24th. How do you buy the Vireo IPO? What you need to do is you need to go to the CSE exchange in Canada and purchase VREO. And because today's the first trading day in Canada, I don't believe they have a US symbol, but as soon as I find out the US symbol, I will let you guys know exactly what it is. So we have 38 likes, guys. 39 likes. Can we hit 100 likes, guys? Seriously, though. Could we possibly hit 100 likes? Because if we could hit 100 likes, I think that would motivate me enough to want to tell you guys about the RTO. I don't know. Thinking. Might just motivate me enough to tell you guys about the RTO. Okay, I'm going to leave a voice note. Yo, Sergio. So I'm live and everybody wants to know about the RTO that we invested in because there's a new IPO called VREO. And they just did an RTO, and the stock is up 5,000%. So if you want to come in the group chat and drop it on the live stream, please do, or even call me. So if you guys want to go into the group chat or in the Telegram, there's 55 people online right now. You guys can go in there, or you guys can watch our live stream, or you could just stay tuned, or you could hit that like button and help us get 100 likes, and I'll tell you myself when there's 100 likes. So right now we got what? How many likes do we got? 39? Is that it? 46. Yo, thank you guys for that. Thank you guys for dropping those likes, man. 46 likes right now. 47 likes. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys hitting the like button. It really helps to get the video to go more viral. And the more likes we get and the more comments we have on the videos, once the video is posted, please guys, go back on, make a comment. I will respond to your comment. If you guys are a YouTuber and you want exposure, you want to collaborate, I'm totally down to collaborate with pretty much anybody. I'm not too big for anyone. I don't really care. I don't feel like because I'm almost at, we're almost at 20,000 subscribers that I'm better than any channels. I want to make that very clear. I believe everybody has value, whether you have $1 in the market or even $0 in the market, or you have $100 million in the market, we can all learn from each other. So I don't treat anyone differently here. Nobody does on Rich TV Live. We treat everybody as equals. That's why I believe our community is flourishing and why we're going to continue to win, because we actually truly want to win and we want to help each other win and we want to share information to help each other win. That's the power of Rich TV and the community, which has morphed and developed into a community of winners, and we just can't help but win, right? So what we need to do is we need to work as a unit so that we can continue to find these winners. So this RTO, this reverse takeover, is very similar to VREO. And Sergio got in early and told us about it in our community in Telegram. And a lot of us have bought like 10,000 shares, which at these prices at 5 cents, it's like $500. I personally bought 25,000 shares. I know a lot of people have over 100,000 shares. So we've loaded up on this RTO. It's a reverse takeover, and they have a cannabis company going into them. And yeah, so why not, And it's at 5 cents, and if it goes to $1 or $2 or $5, like, wow, we're going to cash in big. So it's all about the research and the power of the people to bring these types of opportunities. I don't know. People are joining the Telegram right now, Wake. I understand. That's the same link that everybody's used to join. I also have a link on richtvlive.com on the website. You have to have Telegram downloaded on your phone first. Do you have Telegram downloaded on your phone? So nobody that's watching right now live is part of our Telegram and knows who the RTO is? Shocking. It's pretty shocking. I mean, I guess we just have people everywhere. I just assumed that a lot of you guys were in the group chat because there's so many people in there and it's growing so fast. It's like 350 members. That's just like Delta Force, man. That's like our Delta Force. Well, there's another Delta Force group, but that's another group. There's lots of groups. If you want to be part of the Delta Force group, let me know, man. That's the cream of the crop. That group is only like 34 members or something. But that's like the Delta Force, right? That's like the cream of the crop. That's like, those are like the guys that, you know, they bring the winners. Yo, you know what? I like to find winners in the red. What about flour, guys? What are you guys thinking about flour? It's a nice little dip right here. $6.31. Seems pretty juicy to me. Hopefully it goes lower, but like, I don't know, man. They just joined the Horizons ETF. So, I like them. I may want to take a look at North. Yeah, I like North. I own North. Is North going to make me a winner? Is North going to make me a winner at $1.46, $1.47? My average cost is right around $1.50. So I'm very, very close to getting in the green on North. I was being called out on North last week because it was my one pick that I called that went down. So out of all my picks that I called last week, North was the one that went down. And I'm holding, and I'm almost back to par because I bought at 160. And then when it went down to the 120s, I bought at 120, lowered my cost. Now I'm at 150. Price is currently at 147. So yeah, if it goes back to 160 or higher, I'm going to sell for a profit. Did I talk about Planet 13 yet? Are they in the green today? What about mCloud? I've been calling mCloud since it was at 30 cents. So yeah, that's another one of the winners that I've been talking about. And currently it's at 39.5 cents. So you can see I've been calling it since it was at 30 cents, went all the way to 45, currently at 39.5. Is this a buying opportunity? Sure might be. I don't know. I do not own Universal mCloud Corp, but it's a company I believe in, and I think it has a lot of long-term potential. It was 100% buy when I was talking to you about it. It is now losing steam, so this might be creating a buying opportunity. Let's watch it. See, the volume has slowed down tremendously, only 54,000 shares. That's when you know that might be a buying opportunity and be getting ready for another sneak attack, so that when they have some big news, maybe the volume builds up and you see it pop again. That's just what these companies do, guys. I mean, I've called it over and over and over again. So it's funny because you guys could call me out on anything that goes down because I ain't afraid. Call me out on anything I talk about that goes down because I've been doing this long enough to know that eventually it'll go up. So call me on it. Please do. Hey, I like to make people laugh. I think laughing is good for the soul. Don't you guys? Like, the markets are so hard and so stressful. If we don't laugh, then the opposite of laughing is cry, right? So if we don't laugh, then we're going to cry. And I don't want to cry. So let's laugh. Let's laugh, right? Let's have a good laugh. Let's enjoy our lives. Let's have fun and let's make money. And that's what the Rich TV Live community is all about. Let's hit 100 likes, guys. Thank you guys for all the likes that you have given so far. But if you want to know about the reverse takeover that we're about to do, and a lot of us have already invested in, we got 58 likes. We just need 100 likes. 42 more likes. We got 72 people watching. Can we squeeze out a few more likes, guys? Can we just squeeze out a few more likes? Let's get that 100 likes, and I'll tell you guys about the RTO. And just to give you guys an idea of what RTOs do, VREO is up 5,000%, and they're an RTO. An RTO is a reverse takeover. So essentially what happens is a company, and I'm going to break down the news for you guys. If you guys hit 100 likes, I'll show you guys the company we invested in and why we did it. So essentially they were a company that was not a cannabis company. So what happened is a cannabis company did a reverse takeover of an existing public company. So essentially this cannabis company has acquired all of the shares of the public company in exchange for all of the shares of the private company, the private cannabis company. So they've done some type of a share swap arrangement and agreement with the public company, and that is what is called a reverse takeover. So that private company now goes public and has this huge cannabis company that is now public and has all the revenues that's going to flow through this public company. So a company that is at 5 cents, if it's a cannabis company that's making 10 million every quarter, is going to be hugely undervalued and is going to explode. And that's why we saw VREO go up 5,000%. Now the question is, will the reverse takeover that we invested in explode like this? I think it could. I think it could. Zynerba Pharmaceuticals seems to be finding a floor around $6.19. Will it continue? There are estimates that this stock will go to $20. So, I go in and out. It's just what I do. I don't really, I like to stay in cash. Right now I'm in cash in my account, and I'm in a lot of stock too, but I do have a cash position so that I'm ready to take advantage of an opportunity. And I'm doing two types of trades. I'm either buying at the bottom, like MedMan and Xena, I'm trying to buy bottoms, or I'm buying momentum. Zynerba, I bought momentum yesterday. Eve, I bought the day before. I sold my Eve yesterday for $750 profit. Sold my Zynerba today for $500 profit. So it literally in one day, I'm making like $500, $700. I'm up $1,500 this week. I'm up $2,200 since last week, since I've been telling you guys about all my trades publicly. And when my MedMan goes up, I'll tell you about that, and I'll let you know when I sell that. I did sell 300 shares yesterday, but I just went in and bought more today at a lower price, got more free shares. And, there it is. Quentin. There you go. There it is, guys. Quentin just shared the reverse RTO. Quentin. You are a scholar, my friend. You did the due diligence. You did the research. You did the homework. And because of that, you know about the RTO that our entire community is investing in, called Imaging3 Inc. This is the company, guys. This is it. This is it. And this deserves music. You deserve a song. So guys, please smash the like button. Let's hit 100 likes. Let's do it. Now, you deserve. Quentin, do you have a request of a song that I should play? I will give you the request since you broke the news. The reverse ITO. The reverse RTO. The reverse takeover is Imaging Inc. New ordinary shares, IGNG. Yo, Sergio. Yo, Sergio, you want to call me? You want to talk about this? No, you guys don't get it. This isn't a short-term play. This is for when the RTO is completed, which is in the process of being completed. Sergio, you got rid of my number, bro? I thought we were friends. Here, I'll message you. Don't worry. I'll message you. Let's see here. On Telegram, I'm messaging you. Did you get it? I want you to bring it to the community. Since you brought it, you do it proper. I'm not here. Everyone, Rich, you taking credit for people's picks, Rich. I don't want to hear it, man. So, Serge, call me, yo. Call me, yo. WhatsApp deleted my number? Come on, WhatsApp. What are you guys doing, man? I just sent it to you on Telegram directly. Oh, if you want to be added to the Delta Force group, all you got to do is message me. Let me get, some people are messaging me right now, so let me add some members here. 1 second. Group invite, copy link. And that's the thing. If you guys want to get a hold of me, you got to come where I'm at, right? If I'm in these group chats all the time, like, you got to find me, man. Right? I got lots of groups, guys. You guys don't understand. We got our own social media groups. Got over 600 members called Amino. We've got our own Telegram group. It's got like over 350 members. And between those two groups, 1,000 members talking stocks all day long, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm not even in those groups. It's the people bringing the alerts. Oh, you want to hear full alert? Done. Done and done. Done and done. Oh, sorry. I'll do it after this, Quentin. Sergio.
Hey, Rich.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Not much, man. Sorry, I've had some technical difficulties.
Hey, no problem, man. Well, I just wanted to give you the credit where credit's due because did you see VREO today? The new one that I'm talking?
You know what? I opened up the CSC filing reports at 9:35 this morning, and I saw it had like 5 or 6 different reports filed. So I checked it out, and it was at 10 cents.
Oh, fuck.
And
oh my
I
God.
didn't open up the files. I know, it drives me nuts.
So you're telling me VREO was at 10 cents this morning?
It was at 10 cents this morning. I'm trying to get Marty or somebody to pull up
Shit, man.
what it's trading at.
It's at
like
$5 right now.
I know. It went up 5,000% on a 6K investment. You could have made like 300K.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So IGNG. You brought it to the group. Thank you for that. I already told you that if I win, I'm going to hook you up, okay? So if I win, bro, I'm telling you right now, I'm going to, like, depending on how much I win, but if I win, I'm going to hook you and your wife up on a trip.
That is awesome.
Yeah, like, this is what Rich TV Live is going to be, bro. Like, if I'm going to, we're going to take this to the next level, but when the community brings me winners like this, like, fuck, bro. Like, if we win big on shit like this, and, like, I got 25,000 shares. If I make 125,000 US, of course I want to take, give back to my community, right? So this is really my whole idea behind this. Like find us more of these, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this is gold, man. This is gold.
That's what I like, right? Because it's healthy competition. I like the community because it's, we're always looking for the best ones. And it just keeps us going,
Well, I want to show you guys what IGNG is doing because I think it's pretty crazy. So there's a cannabis company that's being essentially reverse takeover. They're being acquired by Imaging.
Yeah.
Here it is. Boom. Let's go through it. So Imaging3 update on execution of letter of intent for reverse acquisition by Grapefruit Boulevard Investments, Inc. So Imaging3 Inc., a developing stage company introducing disruptive technologies in the medical imaging industry, is updating and clarifying last week's announcement that has executed a non-binding letter of intent (LOI) to be acquired in a reverse acquisition by a privately held Los Angeles-based cannabis company. The firm identified as the acquirer in the earlier announcement is Grapefruit Boulevard Investments, Inc. Now, do you know anything about this company, Grapefruit Boulevard Investments, Inc.?
I do. They're the license holder for Coachella Holdings, and that's a company. I sent you a whole package. They have a 300K page report on like a site survey for their project. They're building a huge facility.
Yeah, I'm reading it here. This is mind-boggling. Yo, Serge, this is crazy, bro. So it says right here, Cochillan Industrial Cultivation and Ancillary Canna Business Park in Desert Hot Springs, located on the extension of North Canyon Road, approximately 10 miles north of the center of Palm Springs. GBI obtained its California licenses in January of 2018 and commenced distribution of cannabis products in June of 2018. So these guys have already been selling weed, guys, so they're making money. Do you have any idea what they're making right now?
I don't. I didn't look that far into it. I was just reading that.
Wow. Okay, hold on. I'll break this down. GBI's goal is to become a seed-to-sale, vertically integrated, fully compliant cannabis and CBD product company. As previously announced, on Thursday, March 7th, GBI obtained its final permit and clearance from Desert Hot Springs Fire Department to commence operation of an ethanol-based extraction laboratory at its facilities. As an update to the previous announcement, GBI intends to commence extraction operations the week of March 25th, 2019. Bro, I'm getting goosebumps. That's fucking 5 days from now. Yo, hey guys, yo, just so you know, Sergio, there are members saying that they're going to take care of you too. So guys, if you win big on this, you should do something to take care of Sergio, because if Sergio helps us make eternal wealth, he deserves to be taken care of. That's what this community is going to do different. That's what we're going to do different. That's our mandate. As previously announced, pursuant to the terms of the LOI, the company and GBI have initiated negotiations intended to result in completion and execution of a definitive equity exchange agreement, which I told you guys earlier. So what happens is the private company is going to own shares in the public company in exchange for the public company owning all of the shares of the private company. And then there will be an agreement depending on what the value is of the private company versus the public company, which in this case is pretty much going to be like 97%, in my opinion, because this private company is huge and the public company is so small. It's like a tiny little penny stock, right? So
yeah, and they have a million authorized. What is it, like a billion authorized shares in comparison to their 40 million float right now. So they have full control of it.
This is just insane. So there is no Canadian ticker symbol, correct? For IGNG? This is strictly an American symbol.
Yeah, no, there isn't. It's just an American symbol, and the Cochillan, I was looking at a site plan. They're going to be making a facility. It's 2,800,000 square feet.
2.8 million square feet facility.
If you check out that site plan, yeah, man. If you check out the whole site
Yo,
plan,
this could be, guys, this could be a $10 or $20 stock, and we can get in at 5 cents. This could be a $10 or $20 stock.
Yeah, it's unreal, because if you think about it, even today's IPO, I mean, the company's they don't even have this much going on, you know?
Oh, the company before this had nothing going on, but this new company is gigantic. Like, look at this, guys. GBI have initiated negotiations intended to result in completion and execution of a definitive equity exchange agreement, otherwise known as the agreement, defining all of the material terms of the acquisition on or before March 31st, 2019, which means this deal could be done, I think, anytime between the 25th and the 31st. So this deal could be done anytime between the end of next week. That's how big this is, which means we could see like thousands of % returns by next week. Potentially.
Yeah, it's all very soon. It's not even a long-term hold, right?
Yeah, like this is nutty. So per the LOI, the agreement shall provide that upon conclusion of the acquisition, GBI designees shall own 80% of the then outstanding common shares of the company, and the company's shareholders shall own 20% of such outstanding common shares. So they did an 80-20 split. So see how they did that? So see how I said 97%? They're giving them, which I think is quite what's the word? I think for the shareholders, they should be quite happy with this. They're getting 20% of the company. And they're getting 20% of the private company. And the private company is going to own 80% of the public company, which is going to give them full control, which is what obviously they wanted. But now this private company that was a tiny little penny stock is going to be part of this huge cannabis empire that's going to be built. And we get a chance to be a part of it too at only 5 cents. Thanks to you, Sergio. So this is so big. This is so big, guys. This is absolutely so big. The company will also be required to settle all current outstanding obligations with certain creditors on terms acceptable to GBI, the company, and such creditors. Furthermore, GBI, under the terms of the LOI, was retained to obtain a commitment for a bridge loan for not less than $1.25 million to be funded at the closing of the acquisition, and an equity infusion of up to $10 million subsequent to the closing of the transaction. So they're also going to get $10 million cash.
Yeah, they're going to raise a lot of money. That'll drive it all up.
During the week of March 11, 2016, the company was able to obtain such commitments in the form of term sheets for both a $1.25 million convertible bridge loan and reasonable redemption provisions and a fixed conversion price at the $10,000 equity infusion in the form of an equity line of credit at a 15% discount to market price on terms fundamentally acceptable and to the company from investors known to be qualified by IGNG management and counsel. Wow. During the same week, the company commenced settlement discussions with 2 of its 3 major creditors, which are ongoing. The company intends to open negotiations with its 3rd creditor the week of March 25th, 2017. Wow. My goodness.
Yeah, so these guys are they're making a lot of moves. I feel like they were just doing this reverse takeover just to obtain a license immediately, you know?
Of course. This is so big. I want more. I want more shares, man.
Yeah.
I need more shares. I want more shares. How many? You got 100,000?
Yeah, I have 100,000. I'm gonna grab some more.
Oh my God, this is so juicy.
I'm just waiting for it to come down, right?
After watching what Vireo did today, like, buddy.
That's the thing. I think we all needed to see that, right? Because everyone was just like, IGNG, I don't know. You know, they bought it at either like 9 cents and they're panicking. And I'm like, you should have waited a little bit. But you know what? In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter.
IGNG is up 719% since February.
Yeah.
Like, that's just disgusting. Like, that is absolutely disgusting. Holy shit.
Yeah, and it's only the start, man.
And what price did you get in at?
I got in at 3 cents.
Oh, very nice. You're already up. But you're not even thinking of selling, right?
No, not at all. I was originally just to accumulate more shares because it does go up. It did run twice to 9 cents, and then it dropped back down to around 4. So if I could sell it for 9, I would, and then just buy more. But
I don't know, bro. After watching what this other RTO did, I don't think this is the one you want to sell. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, I know.
Not at these prices. Not at these prices. Like, I don't know, something about this Grapefruit Boulevard Investments, it sounds like a freaking ginormous company.
You look at that's site plan. They have everything in there. They have their scope. They have their proposed allowed land use. They have all these charts, the size of the facility. They're taking over pretty much a whole piece of land with like 5-6 different roads. Like, this is an actual project site plan, right? Like, I deal with these things on a daily basis. I normally don't even see any cannabis companies release this type of information. So
I don't know. Do you have any others? Or is this the only one?
You know what? This morning, I was thinking I could have caught that, whatever it was, VIRO or VERO.
VREO.
Yeah, VREO. I missed that. I saw it at 10 cents. I just, you know. But I want to see if it's even possible, right? Because right now, we could get in on this one on IGNG for under 10 cents. But I want to know if this reverse takeover, I want to know if when it opened, we were able to buy it at 10 cents. I have to look at what it was trading at this morning, because I did see it at 10 cents, but I didn't see a bid or ask. So I don't know if maybe it was the company just restructuring, or the filings going through and it opening up at a different price. Because sometimes they'll show you 5,000% gain, but it's not really, you know?
Absolutely.
So, yeah, I want to dive a little deeper into that stock just to figure out how these RTOs work. But the fact that we could get in this one early, and we know that we're in it, and it's going to go through the same process as one earlier this morning, it's almost a guarantee considering the type of company and the size of the company in comparison to today's, you know?
Absolutely. Let me ask you a question. So there was a deal, LCVA, that was doing a deal with IGNG. And then IGNG decided not to go with the deal with LVCA, and then LVCA just tanked. Do you think that there's a sneak attack opportunity with LVCA because because that's like just like another company on the sideline for these guys?
I do, because I'm looking at that one too. Any of these shell companies are being scoped out by companies to do reverse takeovers are candidates. So there's a lot of shell companies, like if you're looking at MJ, they're at 0.0001 and they'll drop to quadruple 01s and back to triple 01s, and they're shell companies, but they're not labeled as shell companies. People don't want them. Either their structure is a little bit weird. I don't know what's not appealing for a new company to purchase a shell company, but
well, I think the reason why companies do this is because they it's faster. So the whole process of creating a company, going and creating a company from scratch takes time. And
a year or 2 years.
Yeah, and then you got to get market makers on your box and all this stuff. So now you got like a stock that's already trading. It just makes everything easier for the company, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah, you're right. Like them even considering that company tells me that they're ready. They're primed for an RTO.
Yeah, like IGNG is a fully reporting bulletin board company. So that's the difference. LVCA is a pink sheet. So what they're stating is the reason why they decided to stick with IGNG is that it was a fully reporting bulletin board company. It's a higher tier company, and that's going to give them the power, the recognition, the credibility to move this bad boy. Because I could tell with this company that they're going to want to move this into like the $2 to $5 range right away. I can just feel it. And especially because we can see what VREO is doing. It's identical. It's like literally identical. So this could be something very, very special. This could be very, very special. And you know what's funny is now that we're talking about IGNG is that it's up 14%, eh? You know people are buying it. You know people that are watching Rich TV Live. There's 106 people watching right now. You know they're buying it.
Yeah, for sure.
Even though I tell people not to buy anything that we talk about. Even though I tell people not to buy anything we talk about, they always buy our picks. It's so funny. It's so crazy, man. It's so crazy. What's 45% up? Is IGNG up 45% right now? Is that what these guys are saying? Yo. Is it popping? Because we're talking about it? That's crazy, man. That's the power of the people, Serge. We start talking about a stock and then it goes up 45%. Imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up 45% right now, bro. Look at that. Isn't that crazy, Serge?
Yeah, but it's a small stocks, right? So it'll move. People can buy a lot of shares, and I wouldn't worry too much about it because it'll come back down tomorrow. They've got, I'd say, a couple weeks before anything really happens.
Yeah, I ain't selling it. I ain't interested in no 45% gain. I couldn't care less.
Oh yeah.
I couldn't care less. After watching what these guys did, I want that 5,000% gain, bro. I want that 5,000% gain so I can send you and your wife on a nice trip, man. Let's go. Let's get 5,000%. All right, Sergio. Thanks, bro. If you find any others, man, please let us know, man. Please. You are a beast, my friend.
You'll first to know, man.
You are a beast. And guys, you can find Sergio on Amino, which is our social media community. He is deep in there, big part of the community. You can find him in our Telegram. He's sharing pics. He's just awesome member of our community. And Sergio also has his own app. You want to talk about your app that you're building?
Yeah, I'm building an app. I don't quite have a name for it yet. I'm still working on it. It's going to be out in about 4 or 5 weeks, and it's going to have pretty much options to sort out your ticker lists by 52-week lows, by volume, so you can really just keep adding and accumulating tickers. And you'll be able to, like normally you can only sort them from percent gain and loss for the day, but this will have a whole bunch of different options just so you could kind of watch the markets better.
I like that, man. Well, we would love here at Rich TV Live to be a part of that. And whatever we can do to help you, we will. And hopefully we can make your app like, a huge app that everybody in the world is using.
Hey, I think it's going to be like one of the better mobile apps for watching the markets, because right now I'm a mobile trader. I don't have my computer set up, so I don't have any good screeners and stuff, so it's kind of just developed out of necessity. But yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good for people who are on the road,
Hey, Sergio, there's some members that want your YouTube channel. Can you tell them what your YouTube channel is so they can subscribe?
I don't even know. No, it's all right, man.
Oh, okay, because
I don't have
because
my
members
YouTube channel.
members are subscribing. They're saying that they're subscribing. They're messaging.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is. I changed the name to my channel because I was using it I was using my Google account for work purposes too, and it used to be Winners and Wieners because I had my dog in there doing stock picks and videos and stuff, but. Yeah, I wasn't really professional because I kind of had to get rid of my work email, and I was using my personal for work. So I had to change the name of my YouTube channel just to get rid of that title.
Absolutely. Well, listen, buddy, get something professional because, the people like your picks, man. And I think you should be the reverse. I think you should be the RTO guy, bro. That's fucking big. That's big. That's big. After watching this 5,000% jump, I'm like, holy shit. I'm getting chills, man. I'm like, I know the stock is up right now 45%. I'm not even thinking about selling. And usually I would sell, but after watching VREO go up, there's no shot I'm selling that shit. There's no way.
We've seen it before. We've seen it with Cura, right?
Oh, buddy, we've seen it with so many. Yeah, Cura came from 13 cents.
Yeah.
Cura came from 13 fucking cents, man. It's insane.
And overnight, it just went up.
My goodness. All right, brother. Listen, man, thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your hard work. Keep it up. Whatever we can do to help you, you can always count on us. And hey, guys, that's one of our members, Sergio, part of the community, bringing us winners. And if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. Literally, it went up while we were live talking about it. Serge. I lost Serge. Serge.
Hey, sorry, someone just called me.
Serge,
Yeah,
literally, it is going up while we were talking, my friend. So I want to go back. I might even sell it. I don't know. No, I'm not going to sell it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I sell it. But I want to look at my account right now. So I got to go. Serge, I'll talk to you soon, bro. Keep up the great work, bro.
All right, man.
Okay, man.
All right, thanks. Hey, thanks, everybody.
Hey, thank you, man. Cheers. That is Sergio, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That guy's a beast. Bringing winners to the community selflessly. Selflessly bringing winners to the community. It is so big, and it's literally going up while we're talking. So let's just watch it. In fact, let's put IGNG on. And I know you asked for full alert. I don't forget. I do not forget. I will give you your full alert. But we need some more likes, people. We need more likes. We need 100 likes. We got 75 likes. Can we hit 100? Thank you guys for the 75 likes. I really appreciate it. It means so much, guys. We've been live for an hour. And you guys deserve a full alert. You definitely deserve a full alert after all of this. And I'm up in my account something large right now on IGMG. I'm up like big, and I'm not even thinking of selling, which is very weird. Because you know, it's on a full alert. Let's go. Smash the like button. Who else is doing this, man? Who else is doing this? Nobody. Nobody. This is life changing.
I was talking about Kush bottles, KSHB. I was talking about I ain't this and what they gon' be. It was BVO. We gave you all the answers. TRST. Shit, you know it's cancerous. Don't forget about Afrio. We brought you in the harvest, but why you hate on the kid? Shit, that shit is far-fetched. It's the 52 we low. That's just how it go. Rich TV is here. We about to make some dough. Right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in a backwood. Yeah, we puffin' clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Let me take you to the future with ACB on top and Africa right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some man. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Zena with the fever, that shit diva, just with the heater. You can leave it with Beaver. I don't fuck with the non-believers. Fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, then you gon' make some cream. XOY, I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fact. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it in my Speedo. With eyes closed eating burritos or chomping on some Cheetos. You know, I'm like hip, you gotta buy that shit. It's the new strike on these haters in the missile that you hit. Yeah. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert.
That's the line. That's dirty, right? And I think we should do like a full alert song. Full alert. Full.
So, IGNG brought to our community by Sergio. Sergio got in at 3 cents. I got in yesterday at 6 cents. It was down. I didn't panic. And today it's up now 50% at 7.5 cents ever since we been live talking about it. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. So yeah, we're just going to watch it go up. Let's just watch how high it goes up. I'm not live on like this right here on TradingView. This is not updated. This is delayed. So you're not going to get the exact price immediately. So there is a slight delay. As you can see here on bar chart 2, there's a slight delay, but you can see it is climbing. It's now up 50%. So I'm up nicely on my investment actually already. But I'm not interested in selling at these prices because I believe this has a long ways to go. A long ways to go. And once the deal is consummated with the private entity and the public company sometime in the next week or so, I believe we're going to see this company explode. And anybody that is in at these levels could see enormous returns like we've seen with VREO, which just did an RTO today and has gone from 10 cents to $5 and is up 5,000%. Hey, listen, you guys can sell anytime you want. I'm not saying you guys shouldn't sell. I'm just telling you I'm holding for the win. You know, I want that 5,000% return just to talk about it. And obviously I want to send Sergio and his wife on a nice vacation. And I'd like to make, $100,000 if possible off a $2,000 investment. Why the hell not? You know what I mean? I got 25,000 shares. If this bad boy goes to $5, that's $125,000 US. That's a shitload of money to make on a $2,000 investment. Now, I don't know if it's going to go to $5, but 2.8 million square foot facility. They've already been growing cannabis since 2018. I just think that IGNG has so much potential. I think it has so much potential with this reverse takeover, which I read to you guys, of Grapefruit Boulevard Investments. GBI has its extraction facility located on the Coachellin Industrial Cultivation and Ancillary Business Park in Desert Hot Springs. So they obtained its California licenses in January of 2018. So they already have a license, guys, and commenced distribution of cannabis products in June of 2018. GBI's goal is to become a seed-to-sale, vertically integrated, fully compliant cannabis and CBD product company. As previously announced on Thursday, March 7th, GBI obtained its final permit and clearance from the Desert Hot Springs Fire Department to commence operation of an ethanol-based extraction laboratory at its facilities. As an update to the previous announcement, GBI intends to commence extraction operations the week of March 25th, 2019. That's next week. That's next week. Oh my God. And they got $10 million coming. Oh my God. I'm telling you guys, something big's going to happen here. Okay. Like, honestly, this company that I'm reading about here that is going in is compared to Grapefruit Boulevard Investments. This cannabis company that's going in here, I could compare it to Zenabis, which is trading at $3, 2.8 million. Zenabis has 3.8 million square feet. These guys have 2.8 million square feet. I could compare them to Fire, which is trading over $2. I could compare them to Village Farms. I could compare them to a lot of the other companies that are currently trading between $2 to $10. I could compare these guys to. So for them to do a reverse takeover at these levels, I anticipate that we're going to see fireworks. I anticipate we're going to see massive fireworks. I don't know if you guys agree. If you do, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere. I want to go check my account. FOMO is real. I want to see how up I am in my account right now. But I know FOMO is real. Okay? So, guys, don't go and rush and buy anything just because we've been talking about it here. Okay? On Rich TV Live. FOMO is real. Now remember, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. This is your boy Rich. We bring in the winners, and we bring them to you first. We brought you IGNG today. We brought you VREO today. And what else is popping? Zinarba Pharma. Strong by. On fire. We also called Even Co. And they're winning.
Whatever you do it like you're doing it right. Cause in the stock game, you know it's either fight whatever you do it like you're doing it right. Cause in the stock game, you know it's either fight or flight. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. I told you follow the boy Rich, the noise sick. I'm tired of all these other stock cats, they annoying. Talking this and talking that, shit, they boring.
Want to hear the best part about IGNG? 40 million shares.
And when I'm throwing down the cash, it's like Geronimo. Chasing rainbows, I'm always down for a pot of gold. And when the stocks are calling shit, I'm like, I gotta go. If you never watch, I guess you all missing out. Never winning, I'ma keep on spending, never running out. Yeah, this the bigger route. Getting checks, we checking out. If you got some FOMO, then please never have a second doubt. FOMO stay real with me. FOMO so real. FOMO stay real with me. You know the deal. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go